Hey everyone, welcome to Blockchain Gurukul. You know what's crazy? Right now in 2026, there are people with zero coding skills, zero finance background, literally beginners making money using blockchain. Most people think blockchain means trading crypto, taking risk, losing money, stress, tension, और फिर बोलते हैं scam है. But what if I told you there are simple, beginner friendly ways where people are earning without being experts? So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how beginners are doing it. And now you can start from today, even if you are starting from zero. Last year, one of my friends asked me, यार how are you making money using blockchain? तेरा तो ठीक है, you are from coding background, but मुझे coding नहीं आती. क्रिप्टो समझ नहीं आता बट ऑनलाइन अर्निंग करनी है. नाउ फास्ट फॉरवर्ड टू टुडे. शी इज नॉट मिलेनियर, रिलैक्स, बट शी इज कंसिस्टेंटली अर्निंग स्मॉल बट रियल इनकम यूजिंग ब्लॉकचेन. एंड बेस्ट पार्ट, शी डिडंट डू एनीथिंग कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. शी जस्ट फॉलोड 3 simple paths, and that's exactly what I'm going to break down for you. So first, understand this. In 2026, blockchain is not just about coins, it's about opportunities. And beginners are making money mainly in 3 ways. Learning small skills, using platforms smartly, and being early. Let's start with the easiest one. Imagine you are using an app. You complete small tasks, maybe testing a feature, giving feedback, or just being an early user. And in return, you get rewarded. This is exactly how many beginners are earning through airport style opportunities. People who simply used new blockchain apps early later received rewards worth thousands. Not because they were smart, but because they were early and consistent. See, in this space, consistency beats intelligence. Now, second way, and this is powerful. Freelancing in blockchain without coding. Yes, you heard that right. People are earning by doing simple things like writing content, managing communities, designing posts, even replying to comments. Because blockchain projects are growing fast and they need people who can communicate, not just code. I have seen beginners earning in dollars just by managing Discord or Telegram communities. And honestly, if you can handle Instagram comments, you can do this too. Now comes the third way. And this is where most people hesitate. Learning and building small skills. Not become expert in one day type learning, but step by step growth. For example, someone starts by understanding how wallets work, then learns how smart contracts function, then slowly explores testing or basic development. And within months, they position themselves for better opportunities. This is how beginners turn into earners. Look, I know what you might be thinking. ये सब सुनने में easy लगता है, but start कैसे करें? And that's the real problem. Not lack of opportunities, but lack of direction. That's why most people stay stuck watching videos instead of actually starting. So here's what I want you to do after this video. Don't try everything at once. Pick one path. Either start exploring beginner friendly platforms or start learning one small skill related to blockchain. And give it just 30 days of consistency. That's it. Because in 2026, the people winning are not the smartest. They are the ones who start early and stay consistent. And trust me, future you will not say, काश मैंने और reels देखी होती. You will say, good, I started. So if you genuinely want to learn blockchain step by step in a simple, no confusion way, then make sure you subscribe to this channel because here I break down complex things into beginner friendly, real world strategies that actually work. And comment started, so I know you're not just watching, you're actually taking actions. Because this space is growing, opportunities are real, and the only question is, will you watch or will you start?